On today's episode of the Social English Podcast, I will once again help you, my friends, the Japanese learners of English, with your English. Today's topic, we will talk about your hobby and how to tell other people about your hobby. Hikari, please start the show.
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Yes, I am. I am ready to go. I can't wait to talk about today's episode. But first, 皆さん welcome to the Social English Podcast. Yokoso. If this is the first time, a special welcome. Thank you for listening to this podcast. If you are a returning listener, I really enjoy knowing that you came back. Thank you for listening to the podcast and continuing to support me. Now, what are we talking about today? We have an episode where I help someone with their English. I help them correct English mistakes that they've asked me to do. So that's what we're going to do. And the topic is going to be hobbies. What hobby do you have? Okay, let's think about that. But first, I want you to relax. Let's get into our social English mood. I want you to think about you and me in our favorite cafe. At our favorite cafe, we are just sitting there and we are drinking coffee, maybe having a mochaccino, frappuccino, something like that. And we are just talking about the particular ins and outs of the day. And I'm your friend, Percy, that you've invited to have coffee and talk about English. Yes, I'm from America, so I can help you with your English. And that's what I plan to do. So let's get started. Today's episode, I will definitely help a Japanese learner of English. I can help them, and as you listen to how I fix their English, it can also help you get better with your English. And that's what we'll do. Okay, so this is what will happen. First, I will say the incorrect, wrong eikaiwa, the wrong, incorrect English from the Japanese learner of English. Next, I will say the corrected social English, correct, right, eikaiwa, sorry. The correct English, the correct conversational English, and then I will say it in normal speed. So first, the correct English in slow speed, and then second, regular speed, normal, regular speed. Okay, let's start. This is the Japanese learner of English's incorrect English. Kite kudasai. My hobby is makeup. So I bought pink color mascara last month. It's very cute, but it's difficult to put on my eyelashes. One more time. My hobby is makeup, so I bought pink color mascara last month. It's very cute, but it's difficult to put on my eyelashes. Okay, so here is the other version. Okay, but let's listen to the Social English correct version. This is the correct version. Maybe you hear mistakes in the Japanese Learner of English's version. The wrong English, can you hear mistakes? Yes. My question to you. Can you hear some mistakes? Yes? Okay. So let's talk about that. I want you to listen to my corrected version of the same sentences. This is my Social English Eikaiwa Conversational English correct version. First, slow speed. Kite kudasai. My favorite hobby is makeup. So I bought pink colored mascara last month. It's very cute, but it's difficult to put on my eyelashes. One more time. My favorite hobby is makeup. So I bought pink colored mascara last month. It's very cute, but it's difficult to put on my eyelashes. Okay. Did you hear those mistakes? And how I fixed them? I hope that you did. Now, the biggest mistake, let's talk about the biggest, one of the biggest mistakes is that the Japanese learner of English, when talking about a color of something, to describe something, this hat is green. This car is red. But if you say color, if you add the word color in English, you must say colored, E-D. This is a red colored car. This car is red colored. So you must add ED to talk about the color of the car. Colored. Okay? That is the first mistake. So the mascara is pink colored mascara. Pink colored mascara. Okay. Now, the second big mistake is, especially in conversational social English, we want to say why something is the way it is. Why? You are sad. Why? Why are you sad? You're happy. Why? You saw a movie and it was interesting. Why? Why? Nande? Why? So here, this is the question that I want to ask this Japanese learner of English, if you are listening, okay? Or if you are a listener, ask yourself, why is it difficult to put on her eyelashes? Why? So let's think about that. Let's think about that. We always want to explain something. If we say something, we want to say why. Okay. Last, let's please listen to the social English version. And this is correct English, a Kaiwa conversational English. This is correct, but normal speed. The same speed you would hear in America. This is regular, normal speed. Okay? Please listen. Kite kudasai. My favorite hobby is makeup. So I bought pink-colored mascara last month. It's very cute, but it's difficult to put on my eyelashes. One more time. My favorite hobby is makeup. So I bought pink-colored mascara last month. It's very cute, but it's difficult to put on my eyelashes. Okay? Yes, please listen. Please listen to regular, normal speed English. It will help you understand and get better at English. Because this is the normal speed you will have to hear English when you talk and speak to someone. That is all for today's episode of the Social English Podcast. Thank you for coming by and listening. I know that you learned something from today's episode. If you like this show, please leave a 5-star review. I'd love to read your comments. Come visit us at realsocialenglish.com, where I have a present for you. It's free. The 7 mistakes most Japanese learners of English make and how to fix them. You can also find more resources to help you get better at English every day. Please subscribe to the podcast at Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and now Pandora. Please become a patron. Help out the show by donating $5 US to help us get better and make more shows for you. We will thank you in a future episode. You can also get content that's only there, only at the Patreon page. Please share our podcast on your social media with your friends and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. See you next time. Hikari, please take it away.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.